channel. Today I'll be making some slime.
Alright, it says DIY slime ooze. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So we got everything we need. It says using the scissors, cut open one of the slime packets of your choice. So since the orange
Open the blue one first.
well, since the orange one's already broken, let's just use it because we don't want it to just keep getting everywhere. So it says pour the contents of the slime packet into the hooper of the slime machine. All right, let's get the slime machine.
Here.
So this is our slime machine.
Yeah.
So we pour all of this in here in this like little pouch area. Which one of these colorful glitters are you gonna put in the orange slime? The blue?
One.
You wanna put the gold?
Yeah.
Alright, that's gonna look good.
Yeah. Because the orange looks like gold.
Alright. Whoa. Now add 2 half eggs of water. Half of these. So let's hold one of these. We gotta add 2 of these. Add 2 half eggs of water. Oh, you got yours in purple? Okay. And you'll add, okay, so you're gonna, when I pour the water in this half egg, you're gonna put it in here like that, okay?
Yes.
Not where the powder or the glitter is, just in the bowl. Okay, you did it? Alright, so let's put this egg down. Mix up the slime by turning the handle of slime machine several times. After slime is thoroughly mixed, let it sit inside the machine for about 5 minutes.
Let me put it now.
Yes. Alright, it's time to spin it. Oh.
This color.
Ooh, you're gonna do blue glitter with what color slime? With the blue slime or the purple? You're gonna mix it up? Or you're gonna stick with the same color?
I'm gonna mix it up.
I know, but look, it's still already gooey. Oh! It's happening. Oh. Alright, I think actually yours is good. So what we're gonna do is, I'm trying to remove. See, so it's already coming together. Oh, okay, it's like slime.
Daddy, I'm mixing the colors up. Because I want my slime to be really cool. I want mine to be rainbow. So I mix them up.
When we do the next one, we're only gonna start off with one half egg of water, just to see, because this one's a little bit watery. This one's a little bit too watery.
Now let's put it inside my plate.
No, this one's gonna go inside of the egg, but I want to drain it. This is what it looks like. Take your slime. Doing blue slime?
Yeah.
All right.
So, the purple and blue. The purple glitter and the blue.
All right, so now we're gonna do some blue slime with some purple glitter.
The purple cloud, purple powder, and green cloud, purple.
All right. Pour this blue powder in that pink bowl.
So,
Try not to spill any. Pour your glitter in there. Ooh, this one is gonna look nice. Okay, so now let's only do one of these first and see if it works good. Okay, so go ahead and pour it in there, anywhere you want. Put one in there. Alright, and I'll take your pink bowl and go ahead and pour that in there too. Did it? Alright, and which little egg is this gonna go in? The purple egg?
no, the blue egg.
The blue egg. Alright. Oh. go ahead and put that in your blue egg.
Wow.
Now we're gonna mix the purple
Into the blue.
All right, the purple slime powder with the blue.
We don't have no
glitter.
more glitter. We have only one more glitter.
And your other slimes came out looking a little bit crazy. So try not to put all of it. See? Whoa, this is when it's perfect. Alright, so I guess we figured it out. Wait, hold this. Let's dump the rest of it in there. Now it's already slime. It's stuck. Whoa, look at that.
And then the glitter up with the blue and the green. Yeah, so we mix it up. And then, now we're going to put it into that bowl and our 3 cups of water. So this is our slime and this study.
That's done. Now we're gonna clean up and then we'll come back and open each slime and hopefully they are dry and ready to play. We're just using this wee pad in case the slime is too slimy. It'll soak it right up.
Yeah.
Mix it good.
Yeah.
The orange one looks pretty good.
Mine looks good too because it has glitter. Wow, it's really crunchy.
Ooh, see the purple's good. That's the blue one with the purple glitter. It came out all glittery. Okay, so this one wasn't done. This one dripped a lot of water. Well, let's see this one.
Let's see my purple one.
This one is pretty good.
This one is pretty good too.
And this was a $5 box of DIY slime.
Thank you for watching the channel. Make sure you like that and make sure you see our next video next week doing more slime.
What do they gotta do? They gotta like and
Subscribe. Bye.
That one is perfect. We made some perfect slime. Whoa. Look what she did to me.
That's not me. That's not you, me. That you did it like this.
My nails look horrible. Why you let mommy do slime with these nails?